This KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer with pouring shield, model Ksm150ps, is often hailed as the gold standard of stand mixers, and for good reason. With its iconic design, powerful motor, and versatile functionality, it's no wonder that this mixer has become a staple in kitchens around the world. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer offers unmatched performance, durability, and style. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features that make this mixer a must-have for any kitchen. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is not just a functional kitchen appliance, it's also a statement piece. Available in over 20 different colors, including the sleek contour silver option, you can choose the one that perfectly matches your kitchen's aesthetic or your personal style. The mixer's timeless design is complemented by its durable, built-to-last metal construction. This mixer is built for longevity, so you can count on it to perform reliably for years to come. The tilt-head design is both practical and user-friendly, allowing you easy access to the mixing bowl. This feature is particularly useful when adding ingredients or switching out attachments. Once you've added your ingredients, you can lock the head in place, ensuring stability during mixing. The mixer's sturdy construction means it won't wobble or move around on your countertop, even when dealing with heavy doughs. At the heart of the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is its powerful motor, designed to handle a wide range of culinary tasks. With 10 different speed settings, this mixer gives you the flexibility to tackle everything from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. The mixer's versatility is one of its standout features, making it suitable for nearly any recipe you can think of. For example, you can use the lower speeds for gently incorporating flour into your dough, or for mixing dry ingredients without creating a mess. On the other hand, higher speeds are perfect for whipping cream or beating egg whites to stiff peaks. This level of control ensures that your ingredients are always mixed to perfection, whether you're making a delicate soufflé or a hearty bread dough. The 5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is another highlight of the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. It's large enough to handle both small and large batches of ingredients, making it ideal for everything from single servings to party-sized portions. For instance, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, saving you time and effort when baking for a crowd. The bowl comes with a comfortable handle that makes it easy to carry and pour, and it's also dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. The stainless steel material is not only durable, but also resistant to stains and odors, ensuring that your mixer remains looking and performing like new for years to come. One of the most appealing aspects of the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is its ability to become a true culinary center in your kitchen. The mixer's power hub is compatible with a wide range of optional attachments, allowing you to expand its functionality beyond mixing. Some of the available attachments include food grinder, perfect for grinding meats, making sausages, or even grating cheese. Pasta maker, create homemade pasta with ease from spaghetti to fettuccine. Vegetable spiralizer, turn vegetables into healthy spirals or ribbons for salads and garnishes. Citrus juicer, freshly squeezed juice from lemons, limes, oranges, and more. These attachments are sold separately, but they add a significant level of versatility to the mixer, making it a truly multifunctional kitchen appliance. Whether you're an aspiring chef or just enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer can help you achieve professional quality results at home. Despite its powerful motor and numerous features, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is incredibly easy to use. The tilt-head design makes it simple to access the bowl, while the 10-speed control allows you to adjust the speed with a straightforward turn of the dial. The mixer's operation is intuitive, even for beginners, and it comes with clear instructions to help you get started. The mixer also includes a pouring shield, which is a thoughtful addition that helps prevent spills and splatters when adding ingredients. This is especially helpful when working with dry ingredients like flour or powdered sugar, which can create a mess if not handled carefully. The pouring shield fits snugly on the mixing bowl and features a wide chute, making it easy to add ingredients while the mixer is running. When it comes to cleaning, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer doesn't disappoint. The stainless steel bowl, flat beater, and dough hook are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The mixer's smooth, rounded design also means there are no awkward crevices where food can get stuck, so you can simply wipe it down with a damp cloth after use. The mixer's attachments are designed to be durable and resistant to wear and tear, so you don't have to worry about them deteriorating over time. This means that your KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer will continue to perform at its best, even with regular use. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is more than just a mixer. It's an investment in your kitchen that will pay dividends for years to come. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and durable construction make it an essential tool for anyone who loves to cook and bake. Whether you're making bread, cookies, pasta, or even grinding meat, this mixer can do it all with ease. For those who appreciate both form and function, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is the perfect choice. Its wide range of color options allows you to match the mixer to your kitchen decor, while its high-performance capabilities ensure that it will become your go-to appliance for all your culinary needs. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer with pouring shield, model Ksm150ps, is a top-tier kitchen appliance that delivers on all fronts. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design make it a joy to use, whether you're an experienced cook or just starting out. The mixer's stylish design and durable construction also mean that it will be a reliable and attractive addition to your kitchen for years to come. If you're in the market for a stand mixer that offers both performance and style, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is an excellent choice. Its ability to handle a wide range of tasks, from mixing and kneading to whipping and grinding, makes it a truly indispensable kitchen tool. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.